Hello guys, welcome back to Nexus Company channel again. We're out here at Radford Raceway, the first track day of the season. And we brought our Gr86 and we mounted fresh Yokohama Advent A052, the ultimate 200 tread wear time attack tires. So we're gonna try to get our best lap time here and see how fast we can go with it. Later on, we're gonna test out the other tires to compare. So stay tuned for more contents incoming. And we just finished up the setting here with the aero balance as well. We got the splitter to match out the front aero. We put a wing at the back as well and the rear diffusers. Another mods, brake pads, rotors. There's no powertrain mods yet. And the coilovers, we got KWV3s mounted. And yeah, that's about it for the modification. And we'll see how fast this car can do it. Now let's get to it. Yeah, so we came back to our shop after the track day. Yeah, it was a great day to run our track cars. It was a little too hot, but you know, it's always fun to run the track cars out there. Anyways, so we ran about 10 to 12 laps in total today. That's about 2 to 3 laps per session. We were able to get 1 minute 28.9 seconds, which is the best lap time for our Gr86 so far. From our experience, AO52 shows a great grip about maximum 3 laps in Radford Raceway. It gets a bit greasy and starts to lose a grip after about 3 to 4 laps. All of our best lap time was obtained in second lap per each session. Our tire pressure was set in between 30 to 32 psi. Tire pressure varies and depends on the vehicle specs, so please keep that in mind. And we also noticed that the AO52 needs quite a bit of camber. Our Gr86 has about negative 3.8 camber on front and negative 3.4 camber on the rear. But as you guys can see, the tires has more outer wear than the inner wear, and we maybe even used beyond the edge of the limit of these tires. Overall, from our experience and opinion, AO52 are great tires for who wants to get their personal best lap time or who wants to run in their time attack. It's a bit more expensive than other 200 treadwear tires, but if you want to get your best lap time or wants to run in a time attack, I think it could be worth it. Yeah, we were very surprised how these tires perform out at the track, considering it to be 200 treadwear tires. We ran many tires, but we couldn't actually find that was this fast in 200 trailer tires. On our next video, we're gonna test out some more tires. If you guys have any tires that you guys want us to review, please leave a comment below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone.